In this video, we're diving into how to craft Amazon product listings that climb the rankings and entice shoppers using Helium 10's listing builder. What's going on, everyone? My name is Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you grow your e-commerce business with clear, actionable steps. Why listing optimization matters. Think about the last time you shopped on Amazon. Chances are you typed a keyword, skimmed the first few results, and clicked whatever caught your eye. With millions of products competing for attention, your listing's title, images, and bullet points are your storefront. A poorly optimized listing may hide on page 10, while the well-optimized one can appear right in front of your target audience. Amazon's search algorithm rewards relevance and performance. That means you need the right keywords in the right places and a persuasive presentation that converts traffic into sales. Helium's 10 listing builder streamlines this process by combining keyword research, AI-assisted copywriting, and an easy-to-track keyword bank. So let's explore how it all works. Now, first things first, if you don't already have a Helium 10 account, you can get started with one by clicking the link down below in the description. When you click on that link, it'll bring you to this page right here where you can save 25% on Helium 10 today. So you get 6 months of platinum for just $96.75. So if you want to get started with Helium 10 to follow along, click the link down below in the description. Step 1, build your keyword bank. Before writing a single word, you need to know which terms shoppers use to find products like yours. Helium 10 provides tools such as Cerebro and Magnet to discover high-volume keywords and competitor terms. Once you have your keywords, open Listing Builder and create a new project. In the Keyword Bank section, click Add Keywords and paste in your list. The interface highlights search volume using color-coded indicators. Red for high volume, yellow for medium, and green for low. This visual aid helps you prioritize the most valuable keywords while ensuring you still include long-tail variations. You can also import keywords from existing Helium 10 projects or competitor ASINs. Save your keyword bank before moving on. So to go ahead and use those tools we just talked about like Cerebro and Magnet, we'll come up here, we'll come under Products, and right here under Product and Keyword Research, we see Cerebro plus Magnet right there. So we can go ahead and click on that right now. So here we go ahead and enter a keyword or up to 10 product identifiers. So let's say something, maybe we sell stainless steel water bottle. So maybe we'll just type in water bottle. Go ahead and click search, and we can go ahead and get the keywords here. Okay, and after just a couple seconds here, we can see that there's a lot of volume and a lot of keywords here. So what we could do, we go ahead and check this box right here. That's gonna go ahead and select these 50, but again, you wanna go in here and find relevant keywords to you. And what we can do is we can go ahead and add to my list. We'll go ahead and create a new folder and we'll call it stainless steel water bottle and click save. And now we've got a new folder here. So I'll go ahead and click that and it's been saved there. Step 2, set up listing parameters. Next, decide whether you're creating a listing from scratch or optimizing an existing one. Select your marketplace, for example, Amazon, and choose the correct category for your product. If you already have an ASIN, you can import it so you can compare your draft against the live listing. Helium 10's listing builder allows you to define product characteristics that the AI will use when generating your title and bullet points. Fill out fields like brand name, product name, material, key features, and any other details that set your product apart. You can choose a tone, professional, friendly, playful, or your own custom style, and specify your target audience. For example, if you're selling a yoga mat, your audience might be beginner yogis seeking comfort and grip. The more details you provide, the better the AI can tailor the copy. So we can go ahead and click on add a listing right here. We can either get started from scratch, optimize a listing, or generate images with AI. So let's go ahead and we'll start from scratch and we'll go ahead and start building. So for keywords, instead of finding keywords here, which this is a good option to use, I'm just gonna click add from list and we'll select stainless steel water bottle and click apply. Now we have our keyword bank. Step 3, writing the title. Now with your keyword bank and product parameters in place, click the title field and either write your own or ask AI for suggestions. But here are some guidelines to keep in mind. Lead with the most important keywords. Amazon weights the beginning of the title more heavily. Start with the primary keyword that best describes your product. For a yoga mat, you might begin with with non-slip yoga mat. And keep it concise. While Amazon allows up to 200 characters for most categories, shorter titles often perform better on mobile. So aim for 80 to 150 characters, focusing on clarity over keyword stuffing. Highlight key features. After your main keyword, mention critical attributes like size, material, color, or unique benefits. For example, non-slip yoga mat dash extra thick millimeter cushion dash eco-friendly. Avoid filler words like best or high quality that add fluff without substance. Let the facts speak for themselves. As you type, Listing Builder will strike through keywords in your bank to indicate that they've been used. This makes it easy to ensure that your top keywords appear in the title. You can experiment with multiple title variations and keep an eye on character counts and keyword usage until you're satisfied. So let's go ahead and we'll select a couple of keywords here, and we'll go ahead and continue with all keywords. All right, so here we are in the title area. So let's go ahead and try out the AI here. So we need to enter some product characteristics. So let's put in stainless steel water bottle, 40 fluid ounces, black. Let's start with that. And we'll go ahead and click write for me. And let's see what the AI comes up with. LO water bottle, 40 ounce stainless steel travel bottles, black running water bottle for hydration. So that's pretty good. We could go ahead and select some other keywords that we want to make sure are in there. So we go ahead and get out. I don't really like the LO water bottle because I'm not selling an LO water bottle. We'll go ahead and click on use suggestion, and it went ahead and put it in there for us. Step 4, crafting benefit-driven bullet points. So bullet points are where you get to shine a spotlight on what makes your product special. So instead of listing features, translate them into benefits for the customer. Here's a structure to follow for each bullet. Lead with a short, bold headline. This might be a concise benefit like comfortable support or safe and sustainable. Explain the feature. Describe the specific component or material. For example, our 6mm thick cushioning protects your joints during poses. Connect to the customer's experience. Show how this feature improves their life. No more sore knees or hands, even in extended sessions. Incorporate keywords naturally within the bullets. You don't need to force every keyword into every sentence. Focus on readability and flow. Helium 10's color coding in the keyword bank makes it clear when a critical term hasn't been used yet, so you can sprinkle those into your bullets and description. Keep each bullet point around 150 to 200 characters if possible. Aim for 5 bullets that cover different aspects. Materials, durability, ease of use, added value like a carrying strap, and customer satisfaction, such as a money-back guarantee or a warranty. So let's apply it to your yoga mat example. Superior grip dash textured surface prevents slipping even during sweaty sessions, so you stay focused and confident. Thick cushioning. 6mm padding protects your knees, wrists, and hips for a comfortable practice on any surface. Eco-friendly materials, made from recyclable TPE that's free of PVC and harmful chemicals. Good for you and the planet. Lightweight and portable. Includes a carry strap and weighs under 2 pounds, making it easy to take to the studio or park. Easy to clean. Water-resistant surface, wipes clean quickly, so your mat stays fresh and odor-free between sessions. Notice how each bullet starts with a benefit, explains the feature, and ends with a result that matters to the buyer. This style resonates more than simply saying TPE material 6mm thick. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll down here. And if we come to the bullet point section here, we can go ahead and type it in ourselves like we talked about. Or again, if you're feeling lazy or just want to start with something, instead of staring at a blank screen, we can go ahead and write it for us using the AI. This is awesome. That works fine. We can go ahead and just use all these suggestions here. Sweet. Step 5, fine tune the description and backend fields. After your title and bullets, move to the description section. Here you can tell a longer story about your product, why you created it, how it solves a problem, and what sets it apart from competitors. Break the description into short paragraphs or even a mini FAQ. Include keywords naturally, but don't stuff them. Use headings within the description to make it skimmable if your category allows HTML formatting. Don't forget the backend fields. Amazon's hidden search terms and subject matter fields are where you can include additional keywords that don't don't fill elsewhere. These fields don't appear on your product page, so you can place misspellings, synonyms, and secondary phrases here without affecting readability. Listing Builder shows you exactly how many characters you have left in each field. If your brand is registered, use A+ content, formerly enhanced branded content, to add rich images, comparison charts, and extra text. A+ content can significantly increase conversion rates by providing shoppers with a deeper understanding of your product. You can plan your A+ modules inside Helium 10 or the Amazon brand registry portal. So here we have the description, and again, this is where you go ahead and fill it out. We can see that we have 2,000 characters here, and if we want, again, we can go ahead and have the AI write it for us. So here we go. It went ahead and wrote our description. Now, obviously, with all of this AI writing, you definitely want to go back and make sure it is correct. As we can see, it started off introducing the Gatorade squeeze bottle, which is definitely not what I have here. It's a stainless steel water bottle. So, that could have been just from one of the keywords that was in there. So again, the AI is super helpful, but make sure to double check it. And here in the generic keyword area, again, we can go ahead and add in all those other generic keywords here in the back end. Step 6, analyze and iterate. Once you've drafted your listing, run it through Helium 10's listing analyzer. This tool scores your listing on keyword usage, readability, and compliance with Amazon guidelines. It flags overuse of certain terms and highlights important keywords that you've missed. Use the feedback to revise your title, bullets, and description until you achieve a high score. Your work doesn't end when you publish. Listing optimization is an ongoing process, so monitor your keyword rankings and sales performance. If you notice certain search terms driving more sales, adjust your listing accordingly. Split test different titles or bullet formats using tools like Helium 10's audience to gather real-world data on what resonates best. So writing an effective Amazon listing requires research, strategy, and iterative improvement. Helium 10's listing builder simplifies the process by giving you a structured place to gather keywords, generate AI-assisted copy, and monitor your keyword usage as you write. By focusing on a compelling title, benefit-driven bullet points, and a descriptive story, you help shoppers understand why your product fits their needs. Combine this with ongoing analysis and testing, and your listing will continue to climb the search results and convert browsers into buyers. So if you want to get started with Helium 10 and take advantage of that exclusive offer, then click the link down below in the description. This is an affiliate link, which means we do earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. In fact, you're going to get a pretty sweet deal by using that link. It's these commissions that really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we're dedicated to helping you succeed with e-commerce by providing tips, strategies, and insights to grow your online business. So be sure and subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.